And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest class up armor for the 30 Minutes Fantasy line. This is the Rosan Gladiator. Yes, so earlier we unboxed the Rosan Swordsman, and now this is the class up armor where then it turns the Rosan Swordsman into a Rosan Gladiator. As you can see there in the box art, there it is, fully assembled as a gladiator. The armor parts is there, and of course, the class up from the swordsman into the gladiator. And yes, this is the second class up armor that was released, or sorry, the third class up armor that was released via box. First one being the Dragonian Lord, and then the Liver Gladiator, and this is the Rosa Gladiator. And off to the side, here it is, the armor components. It is fully assembled as the Rosen Gladiator. And off to the other side, front and back as the Rosen Gladiator. Information and looking up and seeing what's inside the box. We have just one bag with all those familiar silvers and blues coming from the Rosen Swordsman. And of course, we have here the instruction guide or instruction manual, and then it explains the elemental cores as well as the story of the 30 Minutes Fantasy line. And here it is, as you can see, from the Rosen Swordsman into the Rosen Gladiator. Now, let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Right, first off is the A sprue, which is all blue, somewhat similar to the Liber Gladiator. And we have a G1 here, which is all silver, somewhat still similar to the Liber Gladiator. I think there are some parts that are different. And then, of course, the G2 here, which is also all silver, similar to the Liber Gladiator. And yes, that's just what's inside the box of the Rosan Gladiator, which is a class-up armor for this 30 Minutes Fantasy line from the Rosan Swordsman into the Rosan Gladiator. And yes, this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.